Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Edu-spectra. So now let's see our exercise number 6.2 second question. Okay, so the question is, in the figure, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, and it is given that y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, then find the value of x. Okay, so here if you see AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So these are parallel to each other. We can also say that AB is parallel to EF also. Okay, and it is given that y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Okay, so first of all let's write this y is to z. I am writing it as y by z is equal to 3 by 7. Okay, now let me cross multiply it. So I will be getting 7y is equal to 3z. Okay, this I can take it as equation 1. Okay, now just look into the figure. If you see this angle y and this angle which I have marked over here, okay, aren't they vertically opposite angle? Yes, so I can say that this angle also will be equal to y. Okay, so this and this are vertically opposite angles to each other. Now if you see over here, this angle y and this angle z, okay, aren't they co-interior angles? Yes, so we know that co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. So from here I can write y plus z is equal to 180 degree, isn't it? Because they are co-interior angles. Okay. Now from here my aim is to find the value of this angle y. Now if you see y plus z is equal to 180. Now from here we had written this equation, that is 7y is equal to 3z, isn't it? Now from here can I write the value of z? Yes, from here I can write z is equal to 7y by 3, isn't it? Okay, so from here I can just substitute and write, instead of z I am writing 7y by 3. So y plus 7y by 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so you can just cross multiply 3y plus 7y by 3 is equal to 180 degree. So 7 plus 3, 10y is equal to 180 into 3. Okay, so 10y is equal to into 3, it is equal to 540. So from here we will be getting y is equal to 540 by 10. So this 10 and this 10 cancel. So from here you will be getting y is equal to 54 degree. Okay, so from here we found angle y is equal to 54 degree. Okay, similarly, if you see over here, this angle y and this angle x, aren't they also co-interior angles? Yes. So from here I can write angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. Okay, now if you see over here, angle y's value we have found it equal to 54 degree. So from here I can write x plus 54 is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 minus 54. So from here we will be getting x is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so that was what was asked in the question, to find the value of x. So we found x is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Okay, so now the question number 3 is, in the figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB and CD are parallel, and EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle GED, okay, so angle GED means this full angle, okay, from here to here, is angle GED is equal to 126 degree. Find the value of angle AGE, GEF and FGE. Okay, now for simplicity I have taken angle AGE. This is angle AGE as x and GEF as y and angle FG as z. Okay, so we need to find the value of these angles. Let's find the value of angle y. Now in the question it is given that angle GED, that is this full angle, is equal to 126 degree. And if you see over here, this small angle, that is your FED, angle FED is equal to 90 degree, because in the question it was given that they are perpendicular to each other. So if you see by adjacent angle property, if you add this angle and this angle, we will be getting 126 degree, isn't it? So from here I can write angle Y plus this angle FED, which is 90 degree, will give you this full angle 126 degree. Okay, so from here I can write angle Y is equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree. So from here I will be getting angle Y is equal to minus 90, it's equal to 36 degree. So from here we got angle GEF is equal to 36 degree. Okay, so now since we got this angle is equal to 36 degree, now let's find the value of angle Z. So if you see over here, since it is said that these are perpendicular to each other, this angle, that is your GFE, okay, that also will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, now if you see here, it is a right angle triangle being formed, and you know that the angle sum of all the angles, that if you add all these angles, it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, which we call it as angle sum property of triangle. So from here we can say that Z plus 90 plus 36 is equal to 180, because due to the angle by angle sum property, Z plus 90 plus 36, which is 126 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So from here we will be getting Z is equal to 180 by dash 126 degree. So you will be getting Z is equal to 54 degree. So we got the value of angle Z as 54 degree. Okay. Now we need to find the value of angle X. Now just see over here, this is a ray GE which stands on the line AB. So this angle 54 and this angle X, okay, they together forms a linear pair, isn't it? So from here we can say that angle X plus 54 is equal to 180 degree, because they forms a linear pair angle. So from here I can say X is equal to 180 minus 54. So X is equal, which is 126 degree. Okay. So angle X was what? Angle AGE. So angle AGE we got 126 degree. Similarly here also angle Z was what? Z we had considered angle FGE. Okay. So angle FGE is equal to 54 degree. Okay, we found angle GEF is equal to 36, angle AG is equal to 126 degree, and angle FG is equal to 54 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear. So now let's do our question number 4. The question is, in the figure, if PQ and ST are parallel and angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree, then find the value of angle QRS. Angle QRS I have considered it as X. Now here they have also given to you, hints given to you, draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Okay, so first of all, in order to do this question, we have to make a construction. Okay, so I am drawing a line. I am drawing a line like this, such that this line and this line are parallel to each other. Let me name it as M over here. Okay, so we have to construct a line. Okay, so we have to construct a line RM such that RM is parallel to ST and RM is parallel to PQ. Okay, now if you see over here, this angle PQR and this full angle QRL. Okay, now here one thing that you should know, whenever a Z like structure is formed like this, okay, I am marking this as angle Z X and this as angle Y. Okay, if you see over here, these two are alternate interior angles. Okay, many questions there may be a difficulty to identify it. So just see that a Z shape whether a Z shape is forming. If an Z shape is forming, this angle and this angle usually will be alternate interior angles. So if you see over here also in this figure, a Z like shape is forming, which means that if angle PQR is 110, then this full angle will also be equal to 110 degrees. That is angle QRM is equal to angle PQR. Okay, why? Because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, so both of them are equal to 110 degrees. Now here now if you see over here this angle SR, that is this small angle. Okay, let me name it as say Y. Okay, so the small angle Y and this angle 130, aren't they co-interior angles? Yes. So from here I can write 130 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. We know co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. So from here I can find the value of Y as Y is equal to 180 minus 130. So from here I will be getting Y is equal to 50 degree. Okay. We have got Y is equal to 50 degree. Now if you see over here, this full angle is 110. So we know our adjacent angle theorem. If this full angle is 110, then when you add these two individual angles, it should give you the sum 110. So from here I can write x plus y is equal to 110. Okay, that is this full angle. Now angle x is what we need to find. Angle y we got it as 50 degree. So x plus 50 is equal to 110. So from here you will be getting x is equal to 110 minus 50. So x is equal to, finally you will be getting it as 60 degree. Okay, so this angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so now let's move on to our fifth question. The question is, in the figure, if AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ, okay, this is angle APQ is equal to 50 degree, and angle PRD, okay, this is angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. Find the value of x and y. Okay, so let's see over here. Now, if you see this angle APQ and this angle PQR, aren't they alternate interior angle? Yes, I have told you that if you see a Z-like shape formation, okay, if this angle is 50, then this angle will be also equal to 50 because they are alternate interior angles. So always check if a Z-like shape is being formed somewhere. Okay, so from here you can write angle APQ is equal to x. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. We will be getting x is equal to 50 degree. Okay, now we need to find y. Okay, so before that, first of all, let's find out what this angle is. Let us take this angle as z. Okay, so here if you see this angle z and this 127 degree, they are forming a linear pair, isn't it? So from here I can write 127 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree and z is equal to 180 minus 127 degree. So 180 minus 127, it is 53 degree. Okay, so from here you got z is equal to 53 degree. Okay, and x we have found is equal to 50 degree. Now we need to find the value of angle y. Okay, so if you see over here, a triangle is being formed and we know that angle sum of all these angles will be equal to 180. Okay, by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so we can write 50 plus 53 plus y is equal to 180 because, okay, so we can write 50 plus 53 plus y is equal to 180 by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, this is equal to 103 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 103, which is equal to 77 degree. Okay, so from here we got the value of y is equal to 77 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, so now let's do our sixth question. The question is PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, PQ and RS are two mirrors and they are parallel. So we can say that PQ is parallel to RS. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. Okay, AB is the incident ray striking at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflect back along CD. We need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so here basically here we have to apply a little concept of physics also. So let's see. So first of all, in order to do this question, we have to make a construction. Okay, so we need to construct a line BE and CF such that BE is parallel to CF. Okay, so from this point B I have constructed a straight line like this. Also from this point C I have constructed a straight line CF. And we should do the construction such that BE should be parallel to CF. Okay, that is the first step that you should do. So when you make the construction, you will be getting four angles over here. I am naming it as angle A, B, C and D. Okay, BE parallel to CF. Now if you see over here, this angle B and this angle C, aren't they alternate interior angle? Yes, because I have told you, if you want to verify, just draw a Z-like shape over here. So if you see this angle B and this angle C, they are equal because they are alternate interior angles. And because we had made these parallel to each other, so I am writing angle B is equal to angle C because they are alternate interior angles. Now, here we have to use a concept of physics. Okay, that is you have learned laws of reflection, isn't it? That is angle of incidence, angle of reflection, the normal, all lying the same to the point of incident, all lying the same plane. Similarly, we have also learned that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, isn't it? The same concept we are using over here. That is the second law. We said that angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. So from here we are saying that angle A is equal to angle B. Similarly here also we are saying that angle C is equal to angle D. Because we know angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection according to laws of reflection. Okay, this I am taking it as equation 1. This I am taking it as equation 2. Now my next step is to add these two equations. So when I add, I will be getting angle C plus A. Okay, that is first add LHS, then add RHS. So angle C plus A is equal to B plus D. Now over here we had said that angle B is equal to angle C first. Now here instead of this angle C, we can substitute angle B over here. Okay, so angle B plus angle A is equal to, similarly here instead of angle B I am substituting angle C over here, is equal to angle C plus angle D. Now just look back in your figure. Angle B plus angle A means this A plus B. When you add these two angles, you will be getting this full angle ABC. Okay, that is what I have written over here. Similarly, if you add angle C and angle D, you will be getting this full angle BCD. Okay, that is the thing which I have written it over here. So we got angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Now here also if you see in the figure, what are they? They are alternate interior angles, isn't it? So since we got them equal, we can say that these are alternate interior angles between the lines AB and CD. Now by applying our converse of alternate interior angle theorem, we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Because if only AB and CD are parallel, we could have got these two angles equal to each other. Okay, so by the converse of the statement, we can prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so I hope it is clear. I hope all the concepts that we have discussed today are clear. Now we will be meeting in a next video with a new topic. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.